Hey YouTube, what's going on? Another day of working on the Mira, and I'm getting a bunch of parts that arrived for it. So today I'm going to be replacing the water pump and starting to get the timing all set up and back together. Let's get started. Alright, right here's all the boxes of stuff, all the way from Malaysia. New water pump kit for it. We also got some new spark plug cables or leads will be going on. And then in this box here, got a bunch of stuff. We got a new upper rear timing cover. We got a bunch of radiator hoses, a pair of belts, also to go between the oil pump and the water pump. I do have a second one of these on the way. I also got a bunch of parts, hoses and stuff for water, so hoses and T-pieces here that are actually for radiator rads. I got T-pieces. Got a new upper camshaft pulley. Same with bolt for this. So those two will go on. Might make their way on today. Well, as you can see here, let's see here. The other one of the T pieces. And the new crankshaft. Daihatsu wood rough key for the crankshaft as the one that is on here. As you can see there, it's all been mangled up. So that one will get replaced. Along with a Daihatsu timing belt set. So, be very, very soon we'll be able to hear this little nudge, as the boys on Mighty Car Mods say, up and running. The wife will be super excited because she's been itching to drive this. So, run a bit of a time lapse of me doing all the work. Stop partway through, give you updates and everything. So let's get going. And with that, the old water pump's off, along with the old gasket. Getting that all cleaned up. I'll give this stuff all here a bit of a cleanup. That's part of the timing belt kit. This pulley here will get replaced. I gotta replace this keyway now. You can see it's off. I don't mangled. There it is. It is. Give the rest of this all a good clean. I gotta trim this little gasket in here a little bit. There's nothing behind it where I have to trim anyway. So I'll be able to give it a good trim, make everything fit way better in here. And then put it all back together. And possibly get a timing belt on here tonight. If not, the timing belt will be on the next video. We'll see. Alright, let's open up this water pump. As you can see here, it's OE certified. We'll open here. Got gaskets and the new pump. Looking really nice. Alright, as you can see here, got this all cleaned up and ready. Trimmed up that gasket there so everything will fit nice and flush. Alright, come back once the new water pump's installed. Alright, so that all bolted on. Got the bracket for the AC all bolted back up. I'm gonna go back into time lapse. We're gonna change out this pulley. We're gonna actually put the crank, the upper timing cover one back on. Get this guy all back together. And get a timing belt on this. Alright, enjoy this next little time lapse. And with that, the timing belt is on. In the next video, I will actually tension it up. I don't have the tool with me today. So next video, this guy will actually get tensioned up to the correct spec and bolt tightened down. But as you can see here, the rest of it's all together. Also, in the next video, I will be pulling this bolt out and just replacing this washer here with the correct one, as I have to replace the bolt with a slightly better bolt, and the wash for this doesn't fit over the bolt, so I just have to drill that hole out. So that will be all in the next video. As you can see here, will also be on the next video. Once that's all done, I will be tightening this all up and hooking the battery up to the starter and getting it ready to have a crank over on the starter to get oil primed through the whole system. That will all be on the next video. Hope you have a good one.